Hello dear friends, welcome back to your on YouTube channel Civil Engineer. Today we are going to discuss details about crank bars or bent up bars. First, we will try to answer the question that what is crank or bent up bars. Then we will also discuss why crank bars are provided in beams and slab. Or you can say that what is purpose or use of bent up bars. So watch the video full and do not forget to like this video. Let's get started. First we will answer that what is bent up bars or crank bars. In slabs and beams, some of reinforcing steel bars are bended near the support at an angle of 45 degree. These bent bars are known as bent up bars or crank bars. Here you can see that in this slab, this bar is bented near the support at an angle of 45 degree. So this bented up bar is known as bent up bars or cranked bars. For most of the time the bent up angle is 45 degree, but for shallow beams in which effective depth is less than 1.5 times its breadth, the bent angle can be also 30 degree. Now we will answer the question that what is the use of providing bent up bars or cranked bars in beams and slabs. For that purpose, first we will discuss the bending moment diagram of a beam or a slab. So here you can see that a continuous beam is given and a uniformly distributed load is applied on this. Now we will draw its qualitative bending moment diagram, and we know that for a continuous beam in which the end connections are fixed, the bending moment diagram is like this. Here you can see that at mid span the bending moment is positive, while at support the bending moment is negative. So keeping this in mind, crank bars are used to resist positive moment at mid span, while you have seen in bending moment diagram that at support the bending moment is negative. So these crank bars are used to resist negative bending moment at support. We will also discuss other functions of bent up bars. So for this we will discuss the qualitative shear force diagram of the same beam. For the same beam, if you want to draw a qualitative shear force diagram, the shear force diagram will look like this. Here you can see that at support the shear force is maximum, while at mid span the shear force is 0. So we can say that bent up bars also helps in resisting shear force which is maximum at supports. Here you can see that at support the shear force is maximum, so this bent up bars can also help in resisting shear force. Other functions of bent up bars are at reduced amount of steel used. So if the amount of steel used is reduced, it means that the structure will be more economical. Here you can see that if you are not going to use bent up bar, you have to provide top bars like this for negative bending moment and bottom bar for positive bending moment. So here bent up bars help us in reduction of steel amount used. It also helps in reducing risk of brittle failure at beam column junction. It was all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video full. For more updated videos about civil engineering, please keep in touch, and if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel by clicking the subscribe button along with bell icon to receive notification of upcoming videos. And please do not forget to like this video. Thank you very much.